You wake up tired every day. You manage to drag yourself out of bed. You drag yourself through the morning. And by 2 p.m., you are already exhausted. If this sounds like your everyday life, you're not alone. As a pharmacist, I speak with people every day who think that being tired is part of adulthood. No, it's not. There are 5 different energy drainers hiding in your daily routine. And today, I'm breaking them down one by one so we can fix it. Some of them might shock you, like how one thing in your kitchen is silently draining your energy every single day. Number one on my list is blood sugar roller coaster. Starting your day with sugar, like cereals, bread, or sweet tea, can cause blood sugar spikes. But what goes up eventually comes crashing down. And this crash then leaves you shaky, tired, sleepy, or exhausted even at mid-morning. So I will advise you swap these sugary foods with protein-rich options like eggs, beans, Greek yogurts. These keep your energy stable for hours. Number 2 on my list is dehydration disguised as fatigue. Even mild dehydration can milk your energy levels. Most people wait till they are thirsty, but by then, it's already too late. Your brain is 75% water. So when you're low on fluids, you lose focus, feel headaches, and feel like you've been hit by a truck, all from not drinking enough water. Start your day with 1 to 2 glasses of water before coffee, and aim for at least 8 glasses of water in a day. You can aim for more if you live in a hot climate or you are more active. Number 3 on my list is poor sleep quality. You might be sleeping 8 hours a day and still wake up exhausted. That is because it's not just the hours, it's the quality. Blue light from your phone screens block melatonin, your sleep hormone. And drinking caffeine late in the day, that steals deep sleep without you even realizing it. So my advice is no phones 1 hour before bedtime and cut caffeine by 2 p.m. You can also try magnesium-rich foods like banana or pumpkin seeds at dinner. They help your body relax naturally. Number 4 on my list is iron and vitamin B12 deficiency. Here is one that many people overlook. Your body cannot produce energy without iron or vitamin B12. And deficiencies are very, very common, especially in women, vegetarians, and people with digestive issues. And signs of these include fatigue, brain fog, even shortness of breath after mild effort. So I will advise you ask your doctor for a blood test. If the test shows you are low, foods like spinach, red meat, eggs, beetroots, and a good supplement can make a huge difference. Number 5 on my list, hidden stress hormone drain. You might not feel stressed physically, but your body is actually stressed. So chronic low-grade stress pumps out cortisol all day. Cortisol is a stress hormone in your body which disrupts your sleep, messes with your sugar level, and causes you fatigue and low energy. Even mental clutters like worrying about unfinished tasks can act like a silent energy thief. My advice is take mini stress breaks during the day. Even as little as 2 minutes of deep breathing or walking away from your phone can help reset your cortisol level and boost your energy. Of course, I will always give you bonuses. Now to my bonus reasons. Some medication side effects may be draining your energy without you noticing. Do you know that some medications like antihistamine, blood pressure medications, including antidepressants, have fatigue as their side effect? But most people do not connect the dots. So if you start feeling extra tired after a prescription, please talk to your doctor or your pharmacist. Sometimes a small adjustment is all you need. Now you know that fatigue is not just all about being busy. It's your body trying to ask you for help, and now you know where to start from. Which of these 5 hits you the most, and are you guilty of all of them? Please let me know in the comment section because I reply every single one of my comments. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to get more pharmacist and wellness tips. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.